Good morning, everyone. So let's get ready for today's phonics lesson. Let's recap yesterday's tricky words. How many of these words can you read? When I point to it, I want you to read it out loud. Ready? Many. Different. Laughed. Because. Eyes. Any. I'm going to get quicker. Different. Laughed. Many. Because. Any. Eyes. Good. Let's get quicker. Good job, everyone. Many, any, laughed, because different eyes. Many, any, laughed, because different eyes. Good. Ready? Let's look at today's sound. Today, we're going to look at two different ways to pronounce these letters. Do you know what these letters can sound like? Ch. Ch. They also make a k sound. Tricky. Ch and k. Can you do it with me? Ch, k. Ch, k. Good. What words can you think of that has the ch sound in? Ch, ch. Let's have a look at some of the ones I thought of. Maybe you thought of them too. Can you think of what these words mean? What's this building? Somewhere where Christians go to worship. Church. Sound it with me. Ch, ch. It's got two ch sounds. Church. Your turn. Good. What's this little baby chicken called? It's a chick. Sound it with me. Ch, I, k. Chick. Your turn. Oh, do you know what this move is called? Where you get on the floor and move your legs? Begins with cr. It's called a crunch. K, r, a, n, ch. Crunch. Have a go by yourself. Good. What's this person doing on their arm? Pinch. P, I, n, ch. Pinch. Have a go. Good. You've now successfully sounded out words with the ch sound. Ch. Do you know any of these words? It's very tricky. These words have a k sound in, but they're spelt with a C and a H. K, k. Maybe these pictures might help you. Where do we go to learn? School. Sound it with me. S, g, oo, l. School. Your turn. This is a hard one. This is somebody who makes medicines for us so that we can be safe. It begins with a k sound spelt with a ch. K, It's a chemist. Shall we sound it out together? K, E, M, I, S, T. Chemist. School. Chemist. K, K. Oh, we've been doing this in language. We've been using some special words for the real words of things. They're called technical words. We've got the K sound. Ready? Sound with me. T, E, K. N, I, K. O. Technical. That's hard. Your turn. Good job. Technical. K, K, K. What do you sing when you sing the main part of a song that repeats itself? You can count on me. What's that part of the song called? It's called the chorus. K, K. K, or, us. Chorus. Your turn. Good. School, chemist, technical, chorus. K, 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 K. Can you read these sentences now? The chemist went to school. The child sang the chorus of the song. The chick ate some cheese with a crunch, crunch, crunch. Good. Did you spot the k and ch sound? K, emist. Ch, ild. K, orus. Ch, ick. Ch, ease. Crunch. Good. Test time. Get your whiteboards ready or a piece of paper. Can you recognise these ch and k sounds? Remember, it's spelt with a ch. Pause the video if you need more time. Your first spelling is chew. Sound it out. Chew. Your second spelling is watch. Watch. Your third spelling, the tricky one, technical. Sound out each sound. Technical. Your third spelling is lunch. Sound it out. Lunch. And your last spelling is chorus. Can you remember the k sound for chorus? Let's have a go at the sentence. Are you ready? The chick sat on my chair at school. The chick sat on my chair at school. Can you write that sentence down? The chick sat on my chair at school. Let's see how you did. Chew. Ch, oo. CHEW. Give yourself a tick if you got it right. Watch. W, o, t, ch. Watch. WATCH. Technical. Oh, tricky one. TECHNICAL. I'll be so impressed if you got that one right. Lunch. 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 Chorus. 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 Ch, k, ch, k. Now have a look at the sentence. Did you get all of the words right? The chick sat on my chair at school. I use an exclamation mark because I'd probably be quite shocked if a chick sat on my chair. Look carefully at each word. Did you get them correct? Well done, Phase 5B.